Hi, Alison Mead here from Silicon Bullet, and I am an expert in bookkeeping using Sage and Xero, and also help mentor bookkeepers. So today I went and visited a new client who's been using Sage for a while for basically doing invoices and purchase invoices, but they have quite complex requirements in needing to know how much particular jobs are costing them. So what they do is they take orders for products from people. They might provide some labour as well. And they need to make sure that when they are quoting for jobs and doing the orders, that they're making a decent profit margin on it. So did you know that Sage50 Accounts Professional has a full project costing module? But what this customer had done was they had upgraded their Sage to the financial controller and started trying to use the project module, but got completely lost with no idea how to use it and how to apply the software. So they had downgraded again and decided to look again at trying to know what to do. Then they Googled and they found me as a Sage trainer, and I popped in today for the first visit, and I was able to have a chat with them, discuss what exactly they needed, and the end result is we have upgraded their software back again up to the Sage Professional, and I have shown them how to add projects, what the pitfalls might be that might fall into, how to organise it so they can get the reporting that they want out of it, and set them with the task of getting started, adding projects, adding purchase orders, and working out how they can start to track it all. So it was all very well downloading the software and trying to speak to Sage support, who happened to leave them an hour and a half on hold on the line each time they wanted to use it. But actually what they needed was somebody to come and speak to them face to face in person, who could learn about their business, learn how to apply it, and help them get going. I'm going to see them again in another couple of weeks, when by that time they'll have put a few projects on, put some purchase orders in, and we'll be able to start looking at the reporting and that side of things. But it will mean something real to them because we're using their real business, just getting in there, getting stuck in using the software. So if tracking projects and doing costing is something that is a hassle and a problem for you, if you're using endless spreadsheets to keep track of things, but actually you're using Sage50 already and it might be easier to just utilise the facilities in there, then get in touch. Go to www.siliconbullet.com. You can see my blog posts, and go to the Silicon Bullet channel on YouTube and see more helpful videos. And get in touch if you need a real human to come and help you use Sage better. Thanks. Bye.